My name's Will Hillhouse. I'm a senior mechatronic engineer at COREMATIC. Current project I'm working on is measuring topsoil on a turf harvester. They've approached us to come up with a system to measure that so they can try and optimise it and reduce their costs. So today we're testing some grass samples with a Gocator camera on a conveyor, trying to get some high-speed scans. First thing I have to do is connect to the camera, calibrate the surface. Then I'll need to check the intensity of the laser to make sure that that's calibrated for the right material, and the position of the sensor, make sure that that is at a suitable distance. I'll get the speed of the conveyor set to the speed I need, which is the same as the machine that we're planning on installing the equipment on, and then we should be able to take some scans of the samples. These samples are old, but from the point of scanning, they're okay for this kind of testing. So I can see here the side of the conveyor, the grass being scanned. It's like a 3D scan of it. The results I've been able to get from that show that I can measure the area of the topsoil underneath the grass, and I can use segmentation to give a quantitative measure of how much soil is under there. And yeah, to have access to that kind of stuff is very, I guess, privileged because it's expensive gear and you can't just get that from suppliers. You have to have a good relationship with them before they're going to give you their equipment to test with so that we can do that kind of thing.